Dear students, a very delightful good morning to all of you. Here I am Sunil Singh, going to teach you mathematics of standard 4. Just we are discussing about the recap, what you have studied in previous classes. So this is the exercise 1 for the revision, and the first question given here, fill in the blanks, यानी खाली स्थानों को भरें. The largest 4-digit number is. For the question number A and B, we need to recap the digits. As we all know that there are 9 digits, and that's from 1 to 9. It means the smallest digit is 1, whereas the largest digit is 9. मेरे कहने का मतलब है कि जो स्मॉलेस्ट डिजिट होता है वो 1 होता है और लार्जेस्ट डिजिट होता है वो 9 होता है. You have to done nothing, only think about the largest 4-digit number. 4 digit it means 4 अंकों का होना चाहिए. 4 digit मीन्स 4 9. अगर हम यहाँ लिख दें तो वो 4 9 से जो नंबर बनेगा वो लार्जेस्ट 4 डिजिट नंबर होगा. जैसे यहाँ आप देख सकते हैं ये 9 9 9 एंड 9. इट मीन्स 4 डिजिट नंबर 9999. As we already discussed about the smallest digit is 1, so the smallest 4-digit number is 1 1 1 and 1. It means 1111. The place value of 8 in 3486 is. It means which position 8 came here. कौन से स्थान पर 8 यहाँ आया. Then if you will observe properly, you can easily say that 8 came at 10th place. It means the place value of 8 will be 8 tenths. 8 tenths means 80. 8 into 10 equal to 80. It means the place value of 8 is 80. The predecessor of 3000 is. Definitely the predecessor will be a new word for you, but before the discussing about predecessor, we have already discussed about the before number instead of predecessor in previous classes. तो predecessor का मतलब क्या हुआ कि before number, 3000 के पहले आने वाला नंबर. तो 3000 के पहले आने वाले नंबर में आने वाला नंबर कौन सा है, तो आप सीधे तौर पे उसके जिसके पहले वो नंबर आता है उसमें से 1 माइनस कर देते हैं. तो जो नंबर हमें मिलता है वो बिफोर नंबर होता है और उसी को हम प्रीडिसेसर कहते हैं. द सक्सेसर ऑफ 6899 is, as I know that you have already discussed in previous classes about to write after number. It means इसके बाद आने वाला नंबर जो सक्सेसर है, तो इसके बाद आने वाला नंबर में क्या करते हैं हम सक्सेसर निकालने के लिए? टू फाइंड आउट द सक्सेसर वी हैव टू ऐड 1 with the given number, and what we get, the number is the successor. It means 6900 is the successor of 6899. Here fill in the blanks. The place value of dash always remains the same. The place value of ones always remains the same. The largest 4-digit number formed using 4 different digits is 4 different digits. It means that should be the largest number. That should be the largest number. And the largest digit is 9, thereafter 8, thereafter 7, thereafter 6. Here all digits are different, and this is the largest 4-digit number. Those are formed using 4 different digits. यानी कि अलग अलग डिजिट को यूज करते हुए लार्जेस्ट 4 डिजिट हमने बना दिया यहाँ. द स्मॉलेस्ट 4-digit नंबर formed using 4 different digits is, then we know that the smallest digit is 1, thereafter 2, thereafter 3, thereafter 4. The smallest 4-digit number using 4 different digits, and this number, it means 1234 is the smallest 4-digit number formed using 4 different digits. Write the following number in words. In words, it means you have to write the number names. It means आपको ये जो नंबर्स दिए गए हैं इनको संख्या के रूप में लिखना है, यानी इनका संख्या नाम लिखना है. 1 for you, आपके लिए एक मैं एग्जाम्पल के तौर पे लिख के दिखा रहा हूँ. नाउ इफ यू हैव प्रॉब्लम टू राइट, एट फर्स्ट काउंट इट व्हाट द नंबर इज गिवन. द नंबर हियर 1s, 10s, 1000, 100. It means 6019. We write here 6 SIX 6, 1000 THOUSAND 1019 NINETEEN. Just I have shown here one example for you, and remain you have to solve by yourself. Next, question number 3. Write the following numbers in figures. Figures means you have to write these words in numbers. Change in numerical value. It means संख्या के रूप में लिखना है आपको. 1 for you, 8602. Here 8602. Attentively hear it. Just given 8602, not given any digit for tens value. So here I gave an example for you how to write in the numerical value remain you have to do by yourself. 4. Write the place value and face value of each digit in 8347. Just see here, the number is given 8347. Then the face value is the number itself. It means the face value is not changed. The face value remain the same. The face value of 8 is 8. The face value of 3 is 3. The face value of 4 is 4. The face value of 7 is 7. Whereas 7 comes at ones place, so then place value of 7 is 7. 4 comes at tens place, the place value of 4 is 40. 3 comes at hundreds place, so place value of 3 is 300. And 8 comes at thousand place, so place value of 8 is 8000. Then we can write here place value of 8 equal to 8000. Face value of 8 equal to 8. Same, you will write all the place value and face value of each of the given numbers. 5. Find the difference between the place values of two sevens occurring in 7875. It means आपको यह देखना है कि 2 sevens, first 7 where is that, and second 7 where is that. It means on which places the 2 7 come. First 7 comes at place of tens, then the place value of first 7 it will be 70, and the second 7 comes at the place of 1000, so the place value of this 7 equal to 7000. Now we have to show the difference. Difference means we have to subtract 7000 minus 17. If you will subtract, you can get here 0, 10 minus 7, 3, 9, 6. That will be 6930 will be your answer. Find the difference between the place value of 3 in 5396 and 5 in 7952. The place value of 3, it means 300. The place value here I write the place value of 3. The place value of 3 equal to 300 in this number, and the place value of 5 in 7952. The place value of 5 equal to 50. So difference equal to 300 minus 50, it means 250. Write each of the following numerals in expanded form. Just here to show all these numbers in expanded form. Expanded form means विस्तार पूर्वक लिखना है. Just one for you. A for example, a given number 8629. 9 comes at 1 place, 2 comes at 10 place, 6 comes at 100 place, and 8 comes at 1000 place. So 8,000 plus 600 plus 2 10 plus 9 ones. It means 8,000. 600 2 tens 20 plus 9. This is the expanded form for 8629. Next, given here question number 8. Write each of the following in short form. Short form means as we write the numbers, numerical value, we have to write these expanded form in short form. So first for you, 4561. It means 4561. Just say E for the next example. 6030. 6000. Not given any digit at the place of 100, so we write here 0. 30 it means 3 tens. At the place of tens 3, and at the place of ones 0. 6030. Counting by 5. Write the numerals from 3037 to 3072. Counting by 5. It means you have to add 5 to each what comes after adding 5. 3037 plus 5. It means 3042. Again plus 5. 3047. Again plus 5 in it. 3052. Again plus 5. 3057. Again plus 5. 3062. Counting by 15s. Write the numerals from 3 again plus 5. 3067. Right here all these numbers are the answer for this question. Counting by 15s, it means you have to add here 15 in 9023 till 9113 तब तक जब तक कि 9113 से कम नहीं हो जाता या उसके इक्वल नहीं आ जाए। आप यहाँ से 15 ऐड करते जाइए। 9038 if we will add 15 in 9023 we get 9038 again 15 9053 again plus 15 9068 again 15 9073 again 15 9088 again 15 10,000 sorry 9103. This will be the whole numbers counting by 15s, the numerals from 9023 to 9113. Counting by 50s, write the numerals in reverse order from 2010 to 1660. Reverse number. It means we have to subtract 50 from 2010. Here it will be 1960, 1910, 1860, 1810, 1760, 1710, 1710, and the next number will be 1660. Look at the pattern. Look at the pattern and fill the blanks. Pattern given 16, 23, 30, 37. It means if we will add 7 of each of the number, we can get the next number. 16 plus 7, 23, plus 7, 30, plus 7, 37, plus 7, 44, plus 7, plus 7, 51, plus 7, 58, plus 7, 65. 165, 180, 195, 210. It means when we will add 15 of each of the given number, we get the next number. 15 plus 15 plus 15. It means the next number will be 225, the next will be 240, the next will be 255, the next will be 270. Next 1050, 1100, 1150, 1200. It means when we add 50 in each of the given numbers, we get the real pattern, and here it will be 1250. Again add 50, 1300. Again add 50, 1350. Again add 50, 1400. Next pattern, 9050, 9090, 9130, 9170. So here if we will add 40 in each, we can get the next number 40 plus 40. Here we can get 0, 7, 4, 11, 1, 1, 2, 9. Again add 40, 9250. Again add 40 in this number. We get here 9290. Add 40, 9330. Here given 9015, 8095, 8075, 8055. It means subtract 20 from each of the number, we can get the next number. It means this pattern shows that we have to subtract 20 from each number. Minus 20, minus 20. Minus 20 will be 835. Again minus 20, 815. Minus 20, 795. Minus 20, 775. Compare the numbers and put the correct symbol. Greater than, shorter than, or equal. Three symbols are given: greater than, shorter than, and equal. For fill up these blanks the given. Simple things. See the symbol greater than. It means the numbers which comes at the side of open mouth, जो यहाँ खुले हुए माउथ के तरफ जो नंबर आता है वो ग्रेटर होता है. जो बंद माउथ के तरफ जो नंबर आता है वो शॉर्टर होता है. तो इसमें भी इधर ग्रेटर हो जाएगा लेकिन इधर शॉर्टर होगा. और ये इक्वल, जब दोनों तरफ सेम वैल्यू का नंबर हो तो वो इक्वल होता है. यू कैन सी हियर 1001, 996. Simply, if you will observe these numbers, you can get that 1001 is greater than 9096. तो माउथ को ओपन किधर रख देंगे? जिधर ग्रेटर है. सेम ईयर 5406, 5460. 5406 is shorter than or smaller than 5460. So this symbol will be used here. 9070. If you will observe these numbers, you can get that 9007 is smaller than 9070. It means 9007 छोटा है 9070 से, तो छोटा है तो सिंबल ये यूज कर दिया. 3214, 3124. Sharply observe here. You can get that 3214 is greater than 3124. 6986, 6986. This number is greater. So this number is smaller than this number. It means यह नंबर इससे छोटा है, तो छोटा है के लिए ये सिंबल यूज कर लिया हमने। 9990, 9909, sharply observe these numbers. You can get that 9990 is bigger or largest than 9990. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means बढ़ते क्रम, चढ़ते क्रम, increasing order. So सबसे पहले at first we write the smaller one. So search here the smaller one, smaller number, a smallest number is 6897. 6897. This is the smallest number in all these 6 numbers. Again, if we will observe that, we can get 6978. After comes this number, comes after this number, 6978. Thereafter 7896. 7896. Thereafter 7968. 7968. Thereafter 8967. Thereafter 9687, and so on. Same as the given example, you have to show question number B, C and D of 14. Observe question number 15. Arrange the following numbers in descending order. Descending order means घटता हुआ क्रम. It means decreasing order. It means सबसे पहले हम सबसे बड़े वाले को लिखते हैं. At first we write the biggest number. Thereafter we will write the numbers in decreasing order. Search here which one is biggest in the given number. If we will observe, we can get the number 4303 is the biggest number. So we will write first here 4303. This number is the biggest number in the given number. Again 4033. Again 4003. Again 3400. 3400. Again 3043. Again 3004. So you will solve B, C, D on the basis of this example. What I solved for you. What I solved for you. See here, write the smallest 4-digit number using each of the digits only once. The digits are given for you 8516. You have to write the smallest number. A smallest number, it means you have to write the smallest digit. What digits are given for you? The smallest digit in these digits is 1. thereafter 5, thereafter 6, thereafter 8. It means 4 digits number which is smallest using these numbers is 1568. Next, question number B. You have to solve by yourself. To observe this example, write the greatest 4-digit number using each of the digits only once. Now you observe here, greatest, which is the greatest digit? सबसे बड़ा digit 9, thereafter 7, thereafter 3, thereafter 2. It means the number which is formed using these digits, the greatest number which is formed using these digits is 9732. Now given addition, you have to add by yourself. How can you add? Definitely you add more, you solve more and more questions in previous classes. Add here, just I solve one for you. I am solving one for you. 5 plus 8, 5 plus 8 13, 13 plus 4 17, 17 plus 8 25, 25 5 in hand 2, carry forward 2 for here, 2 plus 9 11, 7 18, 7 25 9 34, 4 3 in hand, carry forward 3 in this queue, 3 plus 17 plus 9 19 plus 1 20, 0 in hand 2 carry forward for this line, 6 plus 2 8 1 9. Again repeat it. 5 8 13 4 17 8 25 5 2 9 2 11 7 18 7 25 9 34 4 3 7 3 10 9 19 1 20 0 2 6 2 8 1 9. Remain A, B and C. Solve by yourself. Fill in the blanks. These are very simple to solve. 9067 plus 1837 equal to this 1837 comes here instead of this number. Remain this number. You have to write this number here. आपको ये नंबर को यहाँ लिख देना है केवल. This number is 9067. Already solved. See here, 1088 plus in bracket 7605 plus 5067. Just see here, this number is given here, this number is given here. Remain the number. This number is not written after the equal mark, so we have to write this number here, 7605. This is called commutative value, this is called associative value. And dash plus 4784 equal to 4784. It means what should be added in 4784 so that our रिजल्ट विल बी 4784। क्या ऐड करना है 4784 में कि हमारा रिजल्ट 4784 आ जाए? तो हम जानते हैं कि यदि ज़ीरो किसी भी नंबर में ऐड किया जाए तो जो सम होगा वो नंबर इटसेल्फ ही होगा। किसी भी नंबर में ज़ीरो ऐड करने पर नंबर का वैल्यू सेम रह जाता है, बढ़ता नहीं है। नेक्स्ट इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो। सो thanks you all, and I hope that you will observe properly and solve at your home. If you will get any type of problem, you can ask me, you can contact me in your school. Thank you. Have a good day ahead.